We've all had that $1 million app idea. Maybe it's a custom fitness tracker, a niche social network, or a game you wish existed. But for most of us, that idea dies because the wall to climb is just too high. But the game just changed. Today, I'm going to show you how I went from a blank screen to a live full-stack mobile app running on my phone and ready for the App Store, all by just talking to my computer. We are using the new mobile apps launch from Replit, and honestly, it feels like magic. This is what we call vibe coding. You aren't sitting here writing lines of syntax. You're describing a vision. For this video, I want to build a community book swap app where people can list books and swipe to trade. Watch this. As soon as I hit enter, Replit starts building. It's handling the front end, the back end database, and the logic all at once. What's incredible here is the autonomy. Replit can run on its own for up to 200 minutes, testing its own work, finding improvements, and fixing issues before I even see them. It's not just a chat box, it's an entire engine building a production-ready app. Now, a lot of platforms show you a web preview, but that's not a real mobile app experience. This is where Replit wins. I'm going to open the Expo Go app on my actual phone and scan this QR code. Look at that, it's on my phone. The animations are smooth, the vibe is exactly what I asked for, and I can actually interact with it. If you want your app to actually do something, like save data or talk to other services, you usually need to mess with API keys and complex setups. Replit has these things called connectors. They let you link your app to third-party services just by signing in. No manual wiring required. Whether you're a designer, prototyping a new flow, or an entrepreneur building a business, these connectors let you build professional-grade automations in seconds. And because this is a full-stack environment, your app has its own database and authentication built right in. You aren't just building a mock-up, you're building a business. The barrier between having a great idea and having a real app on the App Store just disappeared. If you want to start vibe coding your own mobile apps, use the link in my description. If you sign up and upgrade to Replit Core using my link, you'll get $10 in Replit credits, and I'll get $10 too, which helps support the channel. The launch is happening right now, so go claim your spot in the future of building. I can't wait to see what you ship.